Hi guys, in my previous video I have explained about how to create database table, how to create TMG for database table, how to create TMG events, and how to create a custom transaction code for TMG. And I have explained about some real-time scenarios. If you check my previous video, you will get some clear information. Now, next topic is table validations. Okay, so table validations we can do two ways. First one is a field level, second one is a domain level. We can restrict the entries, or we can validate entries with the help of check table in field level. Okay, with the help of check table. Okay, here domain level we can restrict or we can validate entries with the help of value range and value table in domain level. Here means value range and value table. If you want to apply, if you want to validate, if you want to apply a check table or value table, we need to maintain foreign key relationship between two tables. Okay, foreign key relation between two tables. It means I will show you how to create a check table, how to assign a check table to the particular field, how to give the value range, how to assign checked value table for the particular field. These things I will explain with a clear and some real-time scenarios. First of all, I will go to SC11 transaction code. First of all, I will go to SC11 transaction code. Okay, SC11. This is my check table. Okay, if you see here, only one field is there. Okay, if you execute this one, save. Okay, let me activate it. So we activated that one. To execute this one, this is the city. Okay, city we have Anantapur, Chirala, Kurnool, Nellore, Tirupati. Okay, now I will assign this check table to one particular field. This is my main table. You can't change. So now I want to restrict employee city field with the help of this check table. Okay, I will show you how to assign a check table to the employee city field. So we have to select this one. We have to establish a foreign key relationship between this employee table and this EMP check table. We have to click on foreign key symbol, assign this one. What is the EMP? Z EMP CK underscore table. Then click on general proposal. So here we will get this thing. Simply click on copy. Okay, here we will get one success message was transferred. The foreign key ZEMP table ZEMP city was transferred. Okay, if you check this one for entry help check, here we can see this is, we are assigning a check table for ZEMP city. Okay, now I will save this one. I will activate. Okay, so it's got activated. Now we have applied check table for GEMP city. Now I want to test that whether it is working or not. Okay. Now I will go to, in my previous video I have created one custom T code for this table. Okay, that custom T code is ZEMP underscore code. Okay, I have clicked this. Now previously I have deleted every record, so now I will click new record, click one. For this I have applied a TMG event. So without entering without entering any name, it will take from the system username. So city, suppose city I am giving like check table. I will enter one name. What is that? Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore. Phone numbers or something. Employee type normal. Okay, just I am giving normal. Okay. Click on save. Here we can see entry Bangalore doesn't exist GEMP CK table. Okay, in the sense check table doesn't have this entry, that's why it will throw one error. So this is here means check table is working fine. Now I will enter, click on this symbol. Suppose here is a Nellore is there. Okay, I will click Nellore. Okay, it got saved. Now I will click on Chirala. Means normal. Okay, click on save. Chirala. So it got saved. So this is the way how to assign one particular check table for particular field. Okay, hope you understand. Now we will check how to assign a value table or value range for the particular field. Okay, let me go back this S11. Sorry, I already opened, right? So now I will check this table data for this particular custom table. Click on OK. So this is the one. Okay, here this is username getting from the TMG events. So this is getting from the check table. Now I will explain how to assign value table for or value range for particular field. Okay, go back. Okay, now I will assign for this field, I will apply value range for GEMP type field. Okay, click on this one. Okay, so it is a domain. So value range where we can apply in a domain level only we are applying. Okay, click on value range. So here this is the value range. So value range here, first one is contract. I can contract employee and permanent employee. Click on save, it got saved and activate it. So it's got activated. Click on back. So we are added some value range to in domain. Now we have to test whether it is working or not. Now I will go to that same transaction code. that is transaction code in this. See, this is my transaction code. Enter. Click on new entries. The first one is 1, table is 1. Here it will get from the TMG events. Here we need to select, it will applicable for. Here I have applied check table. Here haven't applied anything. You can give phone number, Aadhaar number. Okay. In value range, see employee type. Employee type. This is the employee type. Suppose if I am giving, it means suppose a test or something. When I am going to save, so invalid entry, it will showing like invalid entry. Okay, it means here check table, it means value range is working. Now I will click on this search help button. I will click on this contract. Now I'm entering this one. It got saved. Okay. Now I will create one more record. Click on here contractor. This is permanent. Okay. Click on save. Got save. Okay. Now I will go to my custom table. To check the data. So here for this field, ZEMP city field, I have applied check table in field level. ZEMP type, I have applied a validation with the help of value range. Okay. Here only I will show you how to apply validation for ZEMP type with the help of check table. Sorry, with the help of value table. So double click on this one. We will go to domain. We'll go to value range. Here we can apply the validation. Okay, here we can apply value table name. So this is the way how to apply a validation by using check table and value table. Okay. Then next concept is structures. Then next concept is structures. Okay. So structures structures are classified into two types. First one is append structure. Second one include structure. Okay. So append structure in the sense, so we can add at the end of the table only. It means if you go back, see if you are add any fields by using append structure, it will come to here end of the table, this position, it will come to end of the position. When we are using that include structure, we can insert any position. We can, suppose if you want to insert in between ID and name, here we can insert. If we want to insert in between phone number and Aadhaar number, we can insert it. So that is the main difference between append structure and include structure. Then one more difference from append structure, include structure. So include structure, it is a reusable. So append structure, it is not a reusable. That is a main difference. Now I will show you how to create append structure, how to create include structure. Okay. To create append structure, click on append structure button. Give any name, ZEMP extra. Sorry. Extra, it means extra fields I am talking about. Extra fields we are adding. Okay. Here creating append str in the sense structure. So here I'm giving ZAMP country. Okay, types we are here. I'm using that ZAMP city only I'm using. Now click on save. We will save in local object. Click on active. We have to activate this one. No warnings. Click on no. So this is structure. So here no need to add. Here we don't no need to add the technical settings I'm talking about. We don't. The structure doesn't have a technical settings and enhancement category settings. So simply this is the way how to create a append structure. So now we successfully created one append structure in our custom table. Now I want to create one include structure. To create an include structure, we have to create a one custom structure. Then we will include that structure in our custom table in here any position. Okay. First of all, I will show you how to create a one custom structure in SC11 transaction code. Okay. So to create a custom structure, we will go to data type ZEMP. It means it is employee first name EMP F name first name. Okay, click on create button. Here we need to select a structure. Okay, creating include structure, include str for test. Okay, here ZEMP F name type equal to type only. Here I am using that name, this data element, sorry, this data element only. Now I will click on save. We have to activate it. Now we have successfully created one custom structure. Now we need to include this custom structure in our database table. Okay, so this is my table. Now I want to insert. So this is the name. Consider it is a last name. Now I want to insert in between ID and EMP. Okay, so let's consider this is a last name. Structure field, this is the first name. Okay, now I want to insert in between ID and EMP. Click on insert a row. Sorry, you have to write on Z include. Okay, Z include. Here we need to provide our structure name. This is my structure name, EMP name. See, here we have successfully add our include structure in our custom table. Okay, now I want to see whether it is working or not. Click on save. Click on active. It's got activated. So we are adding one extra field. Sorry, we are adding two extra fields. It means in append we are adding by using include structure and append structure. So we need to adjust our custom table. To adjust, we will go to SC14 transaction. Adjust. Click on S. Okay. We will go to this one. Click on Here we can see GEMP. This is first name. This field added with include structure. This field added with append structure. Okay. Now, so this is the way how to create append structure, how to create include structure. So difference between append structure, include structure. So append structure, it will add end of the table only. Okay. Include structure, we can insert any position. That is the main difference. Okay.